So OnePlus always gave prominence to new smartphone designs, and that actually helped them to stand like a pillar in this market. To keep up with the exact same strategy, they're gonna release the OnePlus 7 with pop-up camera mechanism just because they don't have the hole punch technology, at least for the OLED display. We all know that, right? So let's get to the point. Ishan Agarwal, a very reliable leaker especially when it comes to OnePlus, says that the company has come up with an idea of releasing multiple phones just like the Huawei, Samsung and Apple. The new bunch includes OnePlus 7, OnePlus 7 Pro and OnePlus 7 Pro 5G. Though we don't have any official tape regarding this whole thing, but I believe this, and the OnePlus 7 will indeed come in 3 different models. More importantly, the OnePlus 7 Pro seems to be the LTE version of an expensive OnePlus 7 Pro 5G, and assuming that OnePlus really wants to follow Huawei, Samsung and Apple, then they may release the OnePlus 7 with LCD hole punch display and Snapdragon 855 at lower pricing. That would make a lot of sense as the P30, S10e and 10R are all part of this cream marketing. So let's see how it pans out. The next thing to talk about is this particular image that's rolling all over the internet and with the name tag OnePlus 7. Again, it comes from Weibo, and maybe you're looking at an unreleased OnePlus phone just because of some similarities like the button placement and the curved panel. It's obviously not the Oppo Find X, as I've used that phone and it looks different. Also, OnePlus phones have a good tendency to leak, so you can actually believe that. Now when it comes to this picture of OnePlus 6T, it's totally possible that the phone is running a pre-released software and it doesn't need to be perfect. I can promise you that the final build will show OnePlus 7 in the place of 6T. Additionally, the picture shows that this phone will have 3 cameras consisting of 48 megapixel, 16 megapixel and 8 megapixel sensors. There's no info for the front camera, but I'm sure that you'll come to know about it in a few days. Well, after that, OnePlus CEO Pete Law says that they're not gonna release foldable phone anytime soon. Instead, the company is working on building a TV with artificial intelligence so that you can replace a remote with it. Sounds great? And for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.